The Adhoc Committee has concluded that all the companies and individuals allocated land in the Nakawa-Naguru estate did not follow the guidelines in the procurement and disposal of public assets like open and public participation as stipulated in the PPDA Act. The committee heard that the companies learnt about the land through brokers and an internal notice that was pinned on the Uganda Land Commission's notice board.
Rocco was paid a month before, then the deed was signed later. What was the basis of payment?
You first enter into the agreement.
Okay.
The agreement could be formal or informal, but the ideal situation would be you enter into the agreement first, have it executed, and then make the payment.
The committee findings reveal that the Internal Medicine Virginia PC, a company President Museveni reportedly directed should be allocated 15 acres, is non-existent. Attempts by both the Uganda Land Commission and the committee to meet the proprietors of this company were futile. The committee also discovered that companies like Arab Oil Supplies and Exploration, Masterlinks Uganda Limited and Faneru International Ministries lacked the financial ability to develop the land, were tax non-compliant and without audited books of account. The committee wants their land titles cancelled. In the report, the MPs say that Persis Namuganza, who was then State Minister for Lands, is culpable for abuse of office and overstepping her mandate for directing the Uganda Land Commission to allocate the land to some companies and individuals. These include Anil Damani, Seven Hills Company and Princeton Children's Medical Center. In spite of Namuganza's claim that she acted on presidential directives, the committee found that the said directives were non-existent. MPs called for Namuganza to step aside as she is investigated further.
There are ministers that have been mentioned, including Honorable Minister Persis. I think these are people who should be relieved, and the appointing authority should consider giving them the opportunity to rest from holding those public offices. Thank you.
The committee also wants the officials at Uganda Land Commission to be retired in public interest for supporting the illegal acquisition of this land. The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Finance, Ramadan Gobi, has been cautioned for allowing the payment of 15 billion shillings to Rocco Construction for its interest in the land at Naguru, which government repossessed. The committee says Gobi effected the payment without prior agreement between government and the company.